This is Mr. G, and today I'm coming to you from Badlands National Park to introduce the ah sound, which is made by the letter A. National parks are special locations that are protected so that people can enjoy their land and nature. There are 62 national parks in the United States, and they have a lot of different plants, animals, and landscapes. Badlands are special landscapes that are formed when wind and water slowly remove parts of the dirt in a process called erosion. Badlands National Park is located in the Great Plains, which is a grasslands habitat, meaning a home for animals, including bison, prairie dogs, bighorn sheep, and antelope. Let's practice some words with the short A, ah sound. Say the letter sounds as you see them, and we'll make the word when we put them all together. S, ah. D, sad. B, ah. G, bag. J, ah. Jam. Now we're going to practice the high frequency words, which means they're words that are used a lot, so you need to know how to read them and write them. As you see each word, say the word, and if you don't know it, say it after I do. Does. Not. School. What? Joke time. Knock, knock. Who's there? Annie. Annie who? Animals live in all sorts of habitats. Now we're going to practice the spelling words. For this activity, you'll want a piece of paper or a whiteboard and a marker. After I say each word, pause the video by clicking on it or touching it so you have time to write down the word. Then resume the video by touching it again and see if you got the word correct. For each word you get right, we'll get a circle this week. Circles are like the shape that a prairie dog makes when it burrows in the ground. Let's see how many circles you can collect. Man. Can. Nap. Like she took a nap because she was tired. Tap. Cat. Hat. Not. Does. All right, see how many you spelled correctly and see how many circles you can tally up. Well, that's all for now. If you want to learn more about national parks, you can watch this read aloud video by Kid Time Story Time.